Well, there I am at my first water crossing, and I'm just glad I wore my waterproof socks. This rock is slick as snot. I could bust my ass in the first 10 minutes of air. I got, holy sheesh, see that? Man, looks like my feet are gonna have to get wet. Oh well, that's what I got waterproof socks for. I just hate to get them wet right off the bat, you know? All right, here we go. So slick. Okay, that was easy. Baptized my new kicks. Got with some brand new Ultra 4.5s. Hung up my 3.5s for a while. Started off with Ultras with the 2.5s. Moved to the 3.5s and now I'm with the 4.5s. But Ultra had a pair of black ones, so I had to go for it. So, anyways, just baptized them. On trail number 8.
Ooh.
You know, I love hiking this time of year. It's just, you got great visibility. It's not a lot of foliage. Not denied any views. There's no bugs, so ticks can kiss my ass. And just you know, you don't work up, you're not sweating your gonads off. It's gonna be a good day. It's been a good hike. Unseasonably warm weather once again. It's gonna be in the low 50s, February 20th. 2020. Let's do this. You gotta obey some little signs. They're there for a reason. People actually died out here, falling off these ledges. Some of these trails, you get close by the ledge, get slippery. Boom, you're gone. So, there's rain forecasted in Indy, supposed to roll in around noonish. That's what they were saying. No rain down here. I had a day off. I figured I'd slide down here to Clifty Falls. And I'm due. And figured I'd check it out. Let's check it out. That means you, mister. Not even a mile in. And you come across Trail 2. And Trail 8, Trail 2 connection. Trail 2 takes you down the hill. This is like the north end of where you want to walk. If you want to walk the creek, Trail 2 goes down the creek. And it's a great trail to do, especially when it's warmer out. And but I pass on it today, even though I have super cool waterproof socks. But my mission is to do 8. That's my goal. I'm going to do 8. And of course, check out some of the falls from above. Maybe save the lower half for another video. 2 miles in, and on Trail 8, slowly, some series of switchbacks, slowly descends. Looks like I'm going down there. Wait, there's some natives down there. Delaware, Miami, maybe. Yeah, we'll check it out. Walk on. Alright, here I am at my second Clifty Creek water crossing. And either I'm going to stay on 8, jump on Trail 2, I'm not sure. But decide when to get to the other side. I'll take a look at the map. I don't want to miss anything. So, see you on the other side. There you go. They're not natives. They're settlers. Skipping school and work. Maybe preschool. Decided to come down here to Clifty Wilderness and play because it's such a nice day for February. Anyways, walk on. Alright, I thought about doing 2 for a little bit. Go down and check out the creek, but looks like I'm going to go up 1. And I said go up 1, it means go up 1. Okay, I'm warm now. Let's go check out the tower. Yeah, up there. Up, straight up there. The good news is, I get to come down this. So I got that going for me. All right, I'm almost to the top. I've been trailed by these 2 behind me. I can't shake them. I've tried multiple tricks, but they're still on my trail. Anyways, let's see if I can shake them up here. Catch you at the tower. Let's go up, check it out. Kind of a nice store. All right, let's walk on. Leaving the tower, I'll head back down there. I get to go down. I get to go down the hill. And just like 3 miles from the north parking lot, Trail 8 Trailhead. 3 miles to the tower. So when I go back down here, I do connect back with 1, 2, or 3. I don't know. I'll see them down at the bottom of the hill. Walk on. All right, here I am down at the connectors at the bottom of the hill from the tower. And one goes to the right, one goes in the middle, and one goes to the left. Left is what I came up. But I think I'm going to take the middle one. I think they all intersect. at the top. I think the middle one's a little bit longer. It takes a little bit, but I think the views might be a little better. So I got all day. So I'm in no hurry to get back to the vehicle and end this trip. So I think I'll take the long way. But once again, that'll take you down to 2. Of course, 2 that runs through the creek, through Clifty Creek, was dubbed as one of the roughest trails, most rugged trail in the state of Indiana. I don't know if it still holds that title, but it did at one time. Anyways, I put this down and we'll head down the middle trail. All right, off that little trail 1. Here it is, bleeds right up here in the parking lot. There's a nature center. Just a quick little jog down to the tower if you just want to go check out the tower. Check out the mighty Ohio River. But I'm gonna find my connector over here and get back to the waterfalls, man. I ain't even seen none of the cool waterfalls yet. So yeah, I'm gonna walk on. Gotta go down and find Trail 9 and head north. So yeah, so a little road walk. Yay. Bunch of turkey vultures just chilling out, doing turkey vulture stuff. And the trees right there. What's up, guys? Give yourselves a round of applause. Just talking about you. Anyways, quick update. I'm on Trail 3. I jumped on 3. That's what I'm supposed to be. Make my connection over here and check out some falls. All right. Getting closer, Trail 3, Hoff Falls. The Hoff Falls. Hoff Falls. Headed to Hoff Falls. So, anyways, walk on. That's Hoff Falls. I could probably go get a better view of it, but I'm not going to. I'm trying to honor the park's rules as far as stepping beyond certain barricades. But as you can see, that hurt like a bitch. I believe that's a 78-footer Hoff Falls is. Pretty tall waterfall. Some humans are coming. Better put the camera down. All right, continuing on. I believe I'm on Trail 4. I think I am. Yeah. And again, who knows? Let's go looking. That's some great views. We got all these limestone, shale rocks. Very cool. Lily. It only takes you up to the parking lot. So 4 goes up that way. Now 5 starts, I do believe. So we're gonna go down 5. And here we go. All right, well, I'm back at this again. I went that way thinking that was 5. It takes you down, it's 2. It takes you down to 2 and 3. So yeah, I had to walk all the way down that ravine and then all the way back up again. So I guess I go up 4 here. Whatever you do, don't follow me. Don't follow me. Guess I gotta go up this. And this connects to 5, I hope. Keep my fingers crossed. But it's all good. I got all day. I think the park closes at 11. Sunset at 6:21. I don't want to get out here till a little late anyways. I don't want to get caught in all that Indianapolis rush hour traffic. So, onward we go. It's been so long since I've been down here, Clifty Falls. I mean, I must have been a teenager. So long it's been. So definitely do. And it's definitely awesome. And I definitely am going to come back and do 2 when it's a little bit warmer out, when all mosquitoes and ticks and copperheads and shit are crawling around. So, I'll definitely be back. Very cool, man. Love it. But this is pretty cool when some water's coming down it, as you can see. Got a little trickle, but it just goes all the way down there, man. You see that? I hope you can. I can't see shit on my GoPro. I hope you can't see what I'm talking about. I bet it looks really cool. Okay, here we are at the Lily Memorial. Lily. And here we go. Now it's all coming to me. 5, 4, so I am on 5. One good thing is, I won't be going up those. Oh man, Turkey Run flashbacks. All right, well, we'll head on down to 5, man. Let's check out some more falls. Let's do it. Onward down Trail 5. No jive with Trail 5. Tunnel, and goes all the way through, but we're not going to go through it because it is closed as of now due to hibernating bats. We don't want to mess with the bats. Bats are cool, man, so we're going to let them do their sleep unmolested and unbothered. Yeah, you don't want to bother the bats, man. They get this stuff called it's a fungus, white nose syndrome. It kills them. Killing a bunch of them. So, it says don't go in the cave. Don't go in the cave and disturb the bats, man. So, sleep tight, little guys. Maybe come back when it's warmer, when you're all frisky, and check it out then. But right now, I'm gonna pass. And you should too. All right, I know you do. I know you pass. All righty, still in 5, man. Here we go, some steps. Oh, trucking around flashbacks. creek. Okay, we don't want to go there. There's a little sign there. We'll stay on the upper 5. We don't want to go down to the creek yet. I want to save that for another day. This is a very cool trail, man. I like it. If you want like a quick Red River Gorge fix, this is the place. I know I keep saying that, but it is cool, man. Here we are at the exit, or maybe the entrance to the tunnel. Came on the other side, comes out this side. But once again, not gonna venture, man. Like I said, I don't want to disturb the bats. Sleep, man. But as I mentioned earlier, we'll definitely come back, check them out. But anyways, I do believe I'm still on, I guess I'm on 5. Hell, I don't know. We're heading to another fall. I can't remember the name off the top of my head, but we'll be there soon enough. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know. Look at that down there, man. Damn, I might just become a Clifty Falls junkie. So many cool places to play at, man. All right. Walk on. Where'd it go? That's Tunnel Falls. That's the Pick Kahuna here in Indiana. I think 83 feet. What it is? Tallest waterfall in Indiana. And I'm right next to it. Alright, better watch my ass. Look at that. Yeah! Bad times, man. Alright, I'm gonna walk around tunnels here and see if I can get a better angle of the dangle. So, walk on. That was awesome. Indiana's tallest waterfall. I'll get up these steps and go check out Little Clifty Falls. All right, at the top. And for your convenience, a little parking area. They make it too easy. You gotta make you work for that. That's too cool not to make you work for it. Spoiled you are. All right. Let me figure out where the hell I'm going, because I want to go check out Little Clifty, as I mentioned just a few minutes ago. Plain frame. I can never tell with this GoPro. Well, crap. Looks like I got a Clifty Falls North Gate. Looks like I got another road walk. Oh, hairpin. That was loopy. Oh well, that kind of blows. Oh well. What are you gonna do? Walk on. That's right. You're gonna walk on. And while I'm sitting here doing this road walk, a couple of FYIs that this whole area, like 400 million years ago, was part of a shallow sea. To give you an idea how long ago that was like 150 million years before the dinosaurs ruled the earth. So folks, that's a long ass time. That's a long ass time. So like all the limestone, it was all developed by and formed by calcium deposits by by all the skeletons of the marine organisms that used to call this place home. But yeah, you can find all kinds of really cool fossils, man, if you look good enough. But don't let them catch you. Don't take them out of this park, though, man. You gotta El no teco auto. It's not cool. There are some places close by, the Ohio River, where you can collect all you want, man. Knock yourselves out. But right here, it's a no-no. So don't do it. You know. So anyways, here's a little FYI. Pretty cool. as I make my way around the big bend of the road walk that I must take in order to get back on the trail. All right, my little road walk has come to an end. Here's the little Trail 6 entrance. So we'll take Trail 6 down, maybe 7 across. Go check out Little Clifty and Clifty Falls. I think they're 60 foot tall. I think I might have mentioned they're 63, but both of them are actually 60 foot tall, which is pretty tall. Makes up for some of the 4th largest waterfalls in the state of Indiana. So right on. So all right, I got a whole bunch of flights of stairs to go down here, it looks like, which is cool because it's better to go down them than up them. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll catch you when I get down here to Little Clifty. All right, man. Welcome. There you go. It's Clifty Falls there, up down yonder. Here we go, Trail 7. Clifty Falls is right there, I do believe. Then again, I could be wrong, like I am most of the time. Cake Rock, like that bad boy can go anytime. It's like it's just about ready to slide down. Pretty cool. Here on Trail 7, Clifty Falls. Just a great hike, man. It's a big old loop. It's nice. It's about 5:30 right now. I started, I got here at 11. And, farted around a little bit. But I'm just about to the Trail 8, back to where I was parked at anyways. Up by the north gate. So, well, climb these stairs, put the camera down, and chat with you in a little bit. Yep. Pretty cool. Little Clifty, big Clifty. Both the same size. 60 foot. There, see, I got it right. Pretty crazy. Very cool. Well, here I am on the north end again. Wow. And onward to the vehicle. Done. Back at the vehicle. Clifty Falls, 9-mile loop. Of course, I had to go back and find something. And I thought I lost, and I didn't. I had it all along. But all the views and the waterfalls and just and the police sirens, the violence that goes on down here is crazy. I'm kidding. Indiana's tallest waterfall, 4 of the largest in the state. Just all kinds, once again, micro, mini waterfalls everywhere. I'll be back. Try Trail 2, Indiana's most rugged trail. When it gets a little warmer out, man, so we can play in the water and stuff, have some fun. Good times, man. If you get a chance, come on down here. It's only 2 hours from Indianapolis. Excuse me. My nose has been running like a marathon runner. And I filled up and burnt a little over a half, actually burnt over a little of a quarter tank just to get down here. So get down here, man. Check it out if you haven't. It is cool as shit. Catch you next time, man. I'm out. I was loopy.